MATCC polishing wheel for drill polishing pad buffing wheel kit wheel polisher buffing for drill 4 PCS white flannelette polishing mop wheel grinding head with 1/4. Specially designed for polishing recessed red such as mag wheels, motorcycle wheels manifolds.The various shapes and diameters made it possible to reach 99% of the nooks. Use with any drill. Drill in photo is not included. They fit onto any size drill and will not come off while you are using it. Like anything, it will take time to perfect. Each buffer piece fits into all of the small crevices of your rims and does the job right. Shine your faded wheels. Manifolds.The of a variable speed drill prevents rotating the pad too fast and flinging off the polishing compound and prematurely shredding the padding materiaI. Shanks are 1/4 round and continue with hex shape so it does not slip on your drill.The pad. Mops are made out of good quality material of multiple layers of fabric sewn together in the center. Diameter conical 50 mm, cylindrical 40 mm, mushroom 70 mm, wheel 50 mm, handle diameter 5 mm, handle length 35 mm, material lint. Click the link in the description to get this product.